Hey guys, my name's Kyle Sperry with Heritage Homes of Norfolk. With me, I have Ransom Broders, National Sales Manager.
All right, Kyle, we got a buildable house here. I'm your customer. Tell me about this deck.
All right, this is where it all starts. When you guys make a buildable order, the first construction phase is going to be the floor. We're running 2x10 floor joists, 3/4 inch subflooring that is stapled and glued to your floor joists.
How big a home can Heritage Homes build?
Normally what we see around here is around 1,500 square feet, but to max out a normal ranch style home, you could go a 30x66.
So I see all these walls over here and I see this roof section over here. Is that all happening at once?
We're very efficient when it comes to building, roughly 5.5 to 6 weeks from start to finish. While the decking's going on, your flooring, we got our walls that are being made, sheetrock going on, and our truss, all at the same time.
I thought trusses are supposed to be thrown up above, right?
So at floor level, it just gives our guys the ability to work as they were in the attic. So they can drop all of their electrical, their surface lights, any exhaust fans, easy to work on.
I know we're at rough-in stage here, and I can see some different things here that I'm just wondering, what's with all this foam and everything coming out behind there?
We're all about energy efficiency. Anytime we have any outlets, there any gap, you're gonna get the great stuff foam to seal that up and make your home as tight and energy efficient as possible.
I imagine that plays right into this polyiso foam that I'm seeing on the outside of this home here.
Correct, that's a 3/4 inch foil foam that we wrap all of our homes. So at the end of the day, you're gonna be at roughly an R25 for insulation value.
What kind of numbers and things are we gonna see on like an air exchange rate, HERS scores, things like that?
Depending on whether you're running propane, gas, electric, and the size of the home, but good numbers, you know, are gonna be the 1.1s up to the 3.2s, giving you peace of mind that you do have an energy efficient home.
So if I'm not mistaken, that's roughly twice as efficient as a standard new home across the country.
Correct.
Awesome. I noticed this is a gherkin window. Is that all I get with Heritage Homes?
Wide variety of windows that you can get. Gherkin, Pella, Anderson are our most popular. We offer different types of vinyl finish on here. White is our standard. When it comes to single hung, casement, gliders, double hung, whatever you want, we can get it put in your home.
This one's taking shape with cabinetries, trim, countertops. This is awesome.
These cabinets here, they're a knotty hickory for wood species. They're an amber stain. You can customize and you can go 36, 42, take them all the way to the ceiling. This particular model, we got 30.
Awesome countertop too. This is Cambria quartz, right?
Cambria quartz.
Top of the nail.
Top of the nailing here. Laminate countertops are gonna be our standard. They've come a long ways and those look super nice as well. So this model is a great example of cathedral or vaulted ceilings. You're gonna have your nice big fixed windows here, your trap windows, and you can see that we still have this wall, this temporary wall, so it's kind of tough to imagine how it's gonna look, but on set, those walls are gonna come down and you're gonna get that open concept, your kitchen, dining, living room.
Yeah, so I'll be able to watch TV over the fireplace right from the comfort of my kitchen, huh?
Absolutely.
From what I'm seeing in here, these are an extremely well-built home. These are not just your trailer home or something that everybody kind of thinks they might be.
We build to the same code as any site-built contractor, the IRC, UBC, same exact codes. And we'll build to specific codes based on where you're located.
Correct me if I'm wrong, but these are inspected twice in here by a state inspector, electrical-wise?
Yes. Once it's coming to this portion and it's getting ready to be wrapped up and shipped out the door, state inspected here, and then once it's set on that existing foundation, state inspected as well. So the end of the station here, we use a shrink wrap to help protect grime, road grime, and that off of your home. But when it gets to this portion of the factory, temporarily it's gonna be on a trailer for transportation. We get to the point here where it's gonna be taken out, set on our lot until that site is ready.
Can't help but notice, we've had some rain here today. This material, other than our exteriors that are designed for it, has never seen any weather.
None of this will see weather. This is a controlled environment. Any ship loose materials will be put in whatever half it's going in and shipped to location.
Wow, sweet. This is a beautiful home.
So this is our Ponderosa model here. We walked through the factory of one that was being built. This one is specifically 1,736 square feet. Plenty of features through here. Knotty oak cabinets, some quartz countertops here, hand-hewn beams, fireplace with the stone.
Yeah, and I love those big windows. You know, it's hard to tell in that factory when you're only seeing half of it, but this is that wall you were talking about, and that's awesome when it's opened up.
Yeah, this is awesome. People a lot of times do walkout basements there, wraparound deck. It gives it a really grand, awesome kind of cabin flair feature.
So you guys build all these built-in bookshelves?
These are all custom built bookshelves made in-house. So whatever you're thinking or you have a picture of or anything like that, we can certainly build it close to what you're thinking. When it comes to our master bath, this is very common setup of what we have. We're upgrading from laminate countertops to our onyx composite, all one piece, really nice countertops there. Walk-in showers are big. You can do onyx pan, onyx bench, tile surround, just a walk-in, low threshold.
If I'm a customer, how does somebody like me get a hold of you to get my process started?
Yeah, absolutely. You can look us up on the internet. You can call our office. If it's out of Northeast Nebraska, which is my region, they'll direct you to that sales manager that is a rep for that territory.